Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox support tickets effectively. First, identify the specific issue you're experiencing, whether it's a billing problem, an account issue, or a technical glitch. Gather all relevant information beforehand, such as your username, any transaction ID, or exact error messages you've encountered. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Then, navigate directly to the official Roblox support page, which is your starting point for submitting a ticket. Having these details ready will significantly speed up the resolution of your concern. Once on the support page, carefully select the most appropriate category for your problem from the drop-down menus. This helps direct your ticket to the correct team. Next, provide a detailed and clear description of the issue in the designated text box. Be specific about what happened when it occurred and any steps you've already taken. If possible, attach supporting files like screenshots or short video recordings. These visual aids can be incredibly helpful for the support team to understand your situation quickly and accurately. After successfully submitting your ticket, you should expect to receive a confirmation email from Roblox support within a few minutes. This email will often contain a ticket number for your reference. It's vital to check your email regularly, including your spam or junk folders, for any updates or requests for additional information from the support team. Please be patient during this period, as response times can vary significantly, sometimes taking 24 to 48 hours, depending on the current volume of inquiries. Your patience is appreciated. To maximize your chances of a quick and effective resolution, always be clear and concise in all your communications with the support team. Avoid submitting multiple tickets for the exact same issue, as this can actually slow down the process. Always follow any instructions provided by the support staff carefully and promptly. If they request additional information or steps, provide them as quickly as possible. These practices will help ensure your issue is addressed efficiently and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.